Hello children, how are you? Welcome to today's English class. Here we are going to deal with the new lesson number 5, the Rangoli. What do you mean by Rangoli? Rangoli is a colorful drawing which is made and filled with colors on festivals in front of your homes to decorate your entrance of the house. People across the world follow many religions. See what is given in the first page of your lesson. People across the world are following many religions. Find the names of these religions in the word grid. See here, they have given a word grid here. Here there are given some of the religion names. You have to find those names in this word grid and this will be your homework. So let me read and show you the name of the religions given here. First one is Hinduism, Jainism, Sikhism, Islam, Buddhism, Christianity. These religion names you have to find in the word grid given here. Okay children, this would be your homework. Now let us move forward and see what is there given in the lesson, the Rangoli. Nobody seemed to want Akhil around. Dadi had just shooted him out of the kitchen and now mummy wanted him out of the way of her cleaning. Everybody was busy getting ready for Diwali. See here, in this lesson, there is a boy named as Akhil and everyone is in home, are busy in the cleaning, cooking, decorating, various type of work which is done during the Diwali festival in everybody's home. And nobody is interested in Akhil now. Everybody is putting him out. Okay, I wish there was something I could do. Mocked Akhil. What Akhil is wishing? Akhil is wishing that there should be any work which he can do because nobody is giving him any type of work or allowing him to do anything, just telling him go from here, go from here. So what Akhil is wishing? He is wishing there should be any work which I can do. Mummy said, Akhil, why don't you do the Rangoli this year? Then what will happen? Mummy will tell, Akhil, why can't you put a Rangoli for Diwali of this year? But he said doubtfully, I have never done it before. When Mummy will give him the idea of drawing a Rangoli, what Akhil will tell? Mama, how I should do? I have never done before Rangoli. There is always a first time. I am sure you will be able to do it. Encouraged his mother. Mummy will tell. She will explain him. See Akhil, there is always a first time. Nobody is perfect in doing anything. I am sure you will do it better. So, when we try to do something for the first time, when we begin, only then we will learn to do things. So, children, always there is a first time of any work you do. So, even Akhil's mother will tell him, see beta, there is a first time always and I know you will do it very well. His mother will encourage him. What design shall I make? Wondered Akhil. Akhil is in tension and he will ask his mother, what design shall I make, Mama? He chose the same spot where his mother drew the Rangoli every year. Akhil will just go and he will draw the design in the same place where his mother used to draw Rangoli every year for the festival, right outside the front door. Yes children, you all also may be knowing in everybody's house, Rangoli is drawn just outside the main entrance of your home. Same as well in Akhil's home also, Rangoli was drawn right outside the main door. He settled down with the steel tray full of little packets of red, orange, yellow, green and white colors. He just took a tray and kept all the colorful Rangoli packets in it and just has taken it and went outside near the main door to draw the Rangoli went and settled down there. He sat on the floor thinking of what to make. A diya? Yes, that would be the most appropriate design for the Diwali. What do you mean by diya? Diya means deepam. What Akhil is going to do? He will think, oh, if I make a diya, it will be the correct and perfect rangoli design for the Diwali festival. Now what Akhil will do further? He began tracing the outline of the floor. He will make a outline of a diya on the floor. Can I help you? Asked a small voice. There is someone else who has come near Akhil and slowly asked, can I help? Now let us see who is it. Akhil looked up. Mumtaz, his neighbor, was standing in the doorway. Akhil, when he looks up, who is asking me? He sees his neighbor, whose name is Mumtaz, standing out near him. He hesitated as he did not know her very well. Before Akhil could answer, Mumtaz sat down and began dipping her fingers into the powder. By the time Akhil would say something, Mumtaz sat down and started to take the rangoli or put her hands into the rangoli powder. I like doing that too.